Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the third position we've got the option reset all settings, so that's the option we're looking for. Let's simply tap on it. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so basically everything including the function switches, options, etc., personalized settings and content filled in during setup. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. Of course, you will have to confirm it with the pattern and be aware that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, tap on reset all settings, and basically right now we have to wait until our device will finish the process, and after that all the settings will be set on their defaults. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.